Hi, my name is Hannah, and I'm a co-founder of Tress.
Hi, I'm Aaliyah, and I'm also a co-founder at Tress.
Aaliyah and I have been best friends since meeting at SCU in 2014 and are now business leaders at Google and LinkedIn. I've told Aaliyah about growing up in the grueling Houston humidity, where I struggled to find products that could tame my frizz. And she told me about the time she unknowingly went to a hairstylist who had never treated hair like hers before. This left her with bald spots, which is devastating to someone who spent years growing out their hair.
To better understand the experiences of other women in their hair, we put out a hair care survey that received nearly 600 responses in 1 week. We quickly learned that hair is complicated, and we aren't the only women spending hours researching salons and wasting money on products that don't work for our hair. So we decided to do something about it. Our solution is a website that recommends hair care resources like products and salons to users based on their specific hair type. Users will take a quiz that asks for specific hair features like texture and length. The goal is to make hair care easy, efficient, and economical. Tress will drive revenue by selling digital ads to beauty suppliers. Beauty retailers advertising on Tress will be able to target specific consumers with marketing campaigns based on hair characteristics fit for a given product or service. This means revenue is directly proportional to the number of users on the platform.
Our primary target group is women of color in the US, and the market value is $798 million. When we extend the consumer base to include all women globally, the market is valued at $34.7 billion.
Here you can see the 5 main ways Tress provides the most value to customers and users. To highlight a few, Tress provides personalized hair care recommendations to users based on their hair profile. Users' self-reported data tells exactly which resources are relevant for each user. Beauty retailers advertising on Tress can use this self-reported data to micro-target the right audiences fit for specific hair product or services.
In 2020, our goals are to finish building the platform, drive users, and begin growing our client base. With the release of an app in 2021, we anticipate user adoption to increase 40% month over month. By 2023, we plan to reach 16.8 million users and generate $68 million in revenue.